learners? Are you ready for another day of fun and learning? If you are, then come and join me. I am Teacher Marjorie, and we will explore your favorite subject, the TLE, where we will have fun while learning. So get your pen and paper ready, your ears and eyes steady. Then, let's go! Our lesson for today is about steps in cleaning and sanitizing kitchen premises. In this lesson, we will identify the ways in cleaning and sanitizing the kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. We will also determine the proper ways in cleaning kitchen premises. Today, we will be watching a short film about Supermom. Do you know her? Are you ready? Let's watch this.
The party last night was crazy. I had a lot of fun. But before I forgot, I need to check my schedule. Oh my! I've been waiting for this day to come. I'm sure my fans are waiting to see me and my kitchen tour. I'm so excited. But first, I need to get myself ready. Yes, I'm almost done. Time for me to go and check if my kitchen is ready. Let's go!
Oh no!
What happened here? Oh, the party last night was a real mess. It completely slipped on my mind. What am I going to do now? I only have a few hours until my kitchen tour. I cannot clean my kitchen in a short period of time. Are you even real? If so, then I wish you were here.
Worry no more! Supermom is here to save the day!
You're real?
Yes, and I'm here to help you clean your kitchen in no time.
There's no way we can clean my kitchen that fast.
Nothing is impossible when we are talking about cleaning, my dear. What's more special is I'm going to teach you how to clean your kitchen in the fastest and cleanest way I know.
Let's start now.
Step in sanitizing utensils. Three basic steps needed to effectively clean and sanitize utensils: washing, sanitizing, and drying. Utensils such as cutting boards, bowls, and knives need to be thoroughly washed in warm soapy water. After washing, the utensils should look clean and there should be no food or anything else visible on them. Effective cleaning will remove most of the dangerous bacteria present. Rinse surfaces, pots, pans, and utensils to remove dirt and soapy residue. Use warm running water to rinse away food particles, dirt, and soapy residue. Step 2. Sanitize, rinse surfaces to kill remaining germs. Once surfaces, pots, pans, and utensils have been washed and rinsed, it is a good idea to follow up with a sanitizing step. A sanitizing step will help kill any germs that might remain on a cleaned surface. And step 3, all utensils must then be thoroughly dried before they are reused. Air drying is best, but tea towels can be used if they are clean. A dishwasher is very effective at sanitizing if it has a hot wash and a drying cycle. If you do not have a dishwasher, you will need to sanitize in a sink using a chemical sanitizer or very hot water. If using a chemical sanitizer, such as a sodium hypochlorite or quaternary ammonium-based solution, ensure that it can be safely used for sanitizing eating, drinking, and cooking utensils. Follow the instructions on the container carefully, as a different sanitizer works in different ways. If you are using very hot water, take extra care to avoid being scalded. All utensils must then be thoroughly dried before they are reused. Air drying is best, but tea towels can be used if they are clean. If you are washing up at an event being held outdoors, make sure you have access to plenty of hot water. If hot water is not available, disposable eating and drinking utensils should be used, and enough cooking utensils provided to last the duration of the event so that washing up is not necessary. Collect loose dust by sweeping the kitchen floor daily with a broom or static sweeper and wiping down countertops, tables, and other surfaces with a cleaning rag. Mix 1 gallon warm water in a bucket with 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Dip your mop into the bucket, wring the mop out and wipe across your kitchen floors. The diluted vinegar solution make it safe for any kitchen floor surface while still strong enough to clean and disinfect. Make an all-purpose cleaner in a spray bottle. Combine 3 cups warm water with 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Spray this solution onto kitchen surfaces and wipe off with a damp cleaning rag. Keep the kitchen smelling fresh. Fill a few bowls with about 1/2 cup each of baking soda. Place this around your kitchen to absorb odor and keep the kitchen smelling fresh.
Wow! I can't believe it! I learned a lot about sanitizing and cleaning my kitchen. I can't wait to try it myself.
Thanks! Well, I guess my work here is done. Good luck to your kitchen tour. Bye!
Let's practice. Directions. Determine the correct order following steps in sanitizing utensils by numbering each item from 1 to 5. Number 1. Make an all-purpose cleaner in a spray bottle. Combine 3 cups warm water with 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1 teaspoon dish soap. What do you think is the answer? Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, or Step 5? The correct answer is Step 3. Number 2. Fill a few bowls with about 1/2 cup each of baking soda. Place this around your kitchen to absorb odor and keep the kitchen smelling fresh. What do you think is the answer? The correct answer is Step 5. Number 3. Collect loose dust by sweeping the kitchen floor daily with a broom or static sweeper and wiping down countertops, tables, and other surfaces with a cleaning rag. What do you think is the answer? The correct answer is Step 1. Number 4. Spray this solution on the kitchen surfaces and wipe off with a damp cleaning rag. What do you think is the answer? The correct answer is Step 4. Number 5. Mix 1 gallon warm water in a bucket with 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1 teaspoon dish soap. Dip your mop into the bucket, wring the mop out and wipe across your kitchen floors. The correct answer is Step 2. Congratulations!
Remember, keeping kitchens clean is an important step in preventing food poisoning. There are many reasons for cleaning, but the most important reason is to ensure that all surfaces and equipment that come into contact with food are not contaminated with food poisoning bacteria. If you don't clean your kitchen properly, germs and bacteria can start to grow quickly.
Question: which statement is true in cleaning and sanitizing utensils? Option 1. Wash it without soap. Option 2. Rinse with soapy water. Option 3. Wash in warm soapy water. Option 4. Apply directly with chlorine. Question: why do we need to keep the kitchen always clean? Option 1. To prevent food poisoning. Option 2. To prevent pests. Option 3. To reduce the risk of slipping and tripping accidents. Option 4. All of the above. Question: what are the things needed in cleaning the kitchen premises? Option 1. Alcohol, dirty rags, water. Option 2. Cleaning rags, water, broom. Option 3. Sanitizer, baking soda, rag. Option 4. Flour, vinegar, salt. Question: which step of sanitizing pertains to a mass transfer process consisting of the removal of water or another solvent by evaporation from a solid, semi-solid or liquid? Option 1. Washing. Option 2. Sanitizing. Option 3. Drying. Option 4. Rinsing. Question: what is the use of baking soda in cleaning the kitchen premises? Option 1, to prevent form pests. Option 2, to make your kitchen look white. Option 3, to look greasy. Option 4, to absorb odor and keep the kitchen smelling fresh.
This has been another day of thinking, doing, and learning. I am your teacher Marjorie saying, don't forget to have fun while learning. Goodbye!